PowerShell, we create a function by typing the word function and then space, and then typing the name that we now create for our function, and then space, and then a pair of curly brackets, and then we type the code inside of the curly brackets. We have now created our first function. To run the code inside of the function, we simply type the name of the function underneath the function. We will now run the script and we will see that this code inside of the function will be the output to the screen. We see that everything is working perfectly. We use functions instead of repeating code, and we create one function for each task.